My name's Alex. If you're on the internet, you know me as Buckley. I'm a detailing enthusiast, not a professional. If we rewind a little bit, we'll go back to 2018. Listening to the Ray Company podcast, I had heard chatter of a new product from P&S Detail Products. Bead Maker. A spray sealant that was so easy to use, anybody could use it. Once I finally got my hands on it, I washed the vehicle as normal, rewatched those videos to verify application because, let's be honest, I don't like to read directions. Spray it on the vehicle, and I'm immediately taken back by the intoxicating mango scent. It really took me to another dimension. That product was so slick, it's like unlike anything I'd ever used before. I'm used to spray waxes, paste waxes, liquid polish, that kind of thing to get your vehicle looking as good as possible. But nothing like this. We fast forward a little bit. It's 2021. I'm introduced to Gordon McCall from the various Ray Company channels and the Quail Motorlux event. Some of the most prized possessions are there in the vehicle world. A new product drops. It's called P&S Dreammaker. This stuff is simply the gloss boss. It's not going to give you protection. It's not going to do anything more than make it look like the best vehicle around. You spray this stuff on, and you get that kind of strawberry watermelon scent. Again, intoxicating, just like Bead Maker was. And then you spend a little bit more time online. And then you see someone from Coushatta, Louisiana, Jamie the Cleaner. You see him make some videos with Bead Maker and Dreammaker, both at the same time, and then does something that not any chemist wants to see. He decides to mix them in his own home garage. 10 parts Bead Maker, 1 part Dreammaker, to make a concoction that the internet went ballistic for. This product was something that I decided to try on my own as well. And Jamie's never steered anybody wrong, and he certainly didn't steer me wrong. I tried it, and this stuff was phenomenal. A lot of people like to complain that there's dust with Bead Maker. I just think you need to read the directions and know how to use it. But I digress. Adding a little bit of Dreammaker in there really changed things. It helped with the static. I found the gloss was a little bit better. And the slickness. My goodness, the slickness. But then Jamie got a little bit chatty with P&S. Said that this really needs to happen. This needs to be a product. And Bob and Dave are hesitant. You see it on podcasts, you see it online. I didn't think it was going to be a thing. And then I got a phone call. Hey Jamie, what's up? What? What do you mean Clean Maker's happening? California? When? Wow. Dude, that's freaking insane. Awesome, I can't wait. After that phone call, I didn't know what to think. I was proud of Jamie for being able to go to California, but I didn't think it was really going to happen. And then, late 2023, the unbelievable happened. Dave himself was pouring Dreammaker into the giant container of Bead Maker. And lo and behold, we have Clean Maker. I never knew this day would come, and quite honestly, I don't know what to think about it, aside from just pure joy. So if you can get your hands on Clean Maker, certainly do it. You help P&S, who took a chance on a creator, and you help Jamie, the creator. And a shameless plug. The Cleaner cast couldn't be anything without him.